Hello Joe fans. Today Indian Toy Gyani is here with one of the most interesting toy lines of our childhood. Yes, it's a GI Joe toy line. I have a few of the GI Joes from my childhood, and as an adult, I have collected it few of them. So today I would like to talk about my very first GI Joe back in the year 1999. Well, I believe one day in year 1999 during the summer, my parents just gave me a surprise by buying this Toxo Viper. I have seen some of the elderly uh, children playing with GI Joes, and for almost 6 months I was wanted this GI Joe, and my parents knew it, so they have gifted me with this my very first GI Joe named Toxo Viper. Well, let's talk about Toxo Viper. He is also known as Cobra Hostile Environment Trooper. Well, Toxo Viper was slang as Leaky Suit Brigade. Indian company known as Fun School, which was the subsidiary of MRF India. They have started manufacturing GI Joes from year, I believe, 1993 and onwards. Well, this particular figure was manufactured from year 1995 in India, Fun School. Well, I believe a US version of this figure looks slightly different like this. Okay. The next variant came in US, and it was released in 1988. Let me just give you a brief of the Toxo Viper. A group of Toxo Vipers were among the Cobra operating in the Arctic to maintain Cold War paranoia, but they were defeated by the combined efforts of the GI Joe Arctic team and the October Guard. Quite a description here. Okay, let me just give you an appearance. Well, here is our Toxo Viper. They have very loose joints. I have to be very careful while showing you the articulation. Well, head goes here up till here and rotates full 360-degree, both the hands. They are this entire figure is on the based on the o-ring setup here underneath. Legs have a knee articulation, but right now, as you can see, I have just taped it, so they are not in a condition, but yeah, they have a knee bend here. Well, this Toxo Viper comes with few accessories. First of all, his like blaster like gun. Then second, his helmet. This is his hose. And his backpack. See, very nicely detailed. I remember that I have put him in a fish tank for a day or two as a child when I had one. Let me just read this card back for you. Okay. Code name Toxo Viper, Cobra Hostile Environment Trooper. Cobra Toxo Vipers are thrust into battle situations mainly to create a foul and unsuitable environment, thus giving the upper hand to Cobra. Wow. Their battle suit is moderately airtight, resistant to most solvents. If the suit was made completely impervious to atmospheric dangers, it would be awkward, slow moving, and most importantly expensive. Cobra leaders feel that Toxo Vipers should be encouraged to get their jobs done as quickly as possible, unburdened by the heavy and expensive equipments. Well, needless to say, being a Toxo Viper is not something a Cobra trooper aspires to be. In fact, the assignment is meted out as a punishment for major offenses. Oh, must be very tough. Uh, the mere threat of being transferred to the Leaky Suit Brigade is enough to keep even the most obstreperous troops in line. Okay, that's quite a information. Um, Let me just quickly put all his accessories on him. Alright guys, here is our Toxo Viper. I am attaching his accessories. Well, appearance wise, he comes with a purple face mask, purple shirt with blue-green mechanism on chest, red gloves and black boots with blue straps on it. Okay, just let me put his final accessory on him, which is his helmet. Still nice and tight, even though after 21 years, I feel like a child again. So let's talk about his accessories. He comes with his helmet with a red mouthpiece, green and black color, and it's supposed to be he's supposed to see from this side. It should be translucent, but yeah, it is. It's golden in color and appears to be visor. He comes with this black blaster and having two handles, but right now I'm not able to hold this gun in both the hands because this arm is very loose. Let's talk about his backpack. This is not a backpack actually. um, it appears to be like some sort of mechanism with vents and gas canister in it, and this hose is there which connects to his gun, blaster gun. um, so let me. So that's it guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, that is Indian Toy Gyani. This is my first GI Joe review, Toxo Viper. Many more GI Joe reviews are coming. I'll continue this line from now onwards. So that's it guys, yo Joe, and thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned.